Critical reading is a way of engaging with information, ideas, and the world around us. Today we talk about critical reading. This is Dr. DrWaheedJatoi and you are watching DrWaheedJatoi official YouTube channel. Let's meet after this lecture. Critical reading is a sophisticated process that involves actively engaging with text to uncover hidden meanings, evaluate information, and form informed opinions. It is a vital skill that empowers individuals to overcome the complexities of academic, professional, and personal life. The critical reading process. To cultivate critical reading skills, follow these steps. 1. Preview. Skim the text to grasp its structure and content. 2. Identify purpose. Determine the author's purpose and tone. 3. Analyze structure. Here, examine the text's organization and logical flow. 4. Evaluate evidence. Assess the quality and relevance of supporting evidence. 5. Identify biases. Here, recognize the author's perspectives and potential biases. 6. Consider context. Take into account the text's historical, cultural, and social context. 7. Synthesize. Here, integrate new information with existing knowledge. 8. Evaluate. Here, form a judgment about the text's credibility and validity. This judgment should also be objective. It should be based on the opinions, characteristics of critical reading. Critical reading is distinguished by several key characteristics as 1. Active engagement. Critical readers immerse themselves in the text, probing deeper into the author's message. 2. Purposeful reading. Readers approach the text with a clear goal or question in mind. 3. Contextual understanding. Critical readers consider the text's historical, cultural, and social context. 4. Analytical thinking. Readers break down complex ideas and evaluate evidence. 5. Evaluate judgment. Critical readers assess the text's credibility, validity, and relevance. Strategies for effective critical reading. Employ these strategies to enhance your critical reading skills. 1. Ask questions. Clarify unclear points and challenge assumptions. 2. Make connections. Relate the text to prior knowledge or experiences. 3. Identify patterns. Recognize recurring themes or ideas. 4. Evaluate language. Consider the author's tone, syntax, and vocabulary. 5. Consider multiple perspectives. Seek out diverse viewpoints. 6. Take notes. Record key points, questions, and insights. 7. Summarize. Distill the main ideas and supporting evidence. These are the points which, if followed or adopted, they can make the critical reading quite effective. Benefits of critical reading. Cultivating critical reading skills yields numerous benefits. 1. Improved comprehension. deeper understanding of complex text. 2. Enhanced critical thinking. Develop the ability to analyze and evaluate information. 3. Informed decision making. This is ability to make informed decisions based on credible evidence. 4. Effective communication. This makes clear articulation of thoughts and opinions. 5. Academic and professional success. Critical reading is essential for academic and professional advancement, and these are the benefits of critical reading. To conclude, critical reading is not merely a skill but a mindset, a way of engaging with information, ideas, and the world around us. By embracing critical reading, we can become more informed, thoughtful, and engaged individuals, equipped to navigate the complexities of modern life and contribute to more informed and critically thinking society. I hope that you enjoyed watching this lecture, and keep watching. Thank you so much.